Dear students, yesterday I had shared an overall overall practice paper for chapter 3. The paper, if you have seen, it consists of 13 questions altogether, and all these 13 questions are based on playing with numbers chapter. I hope you all have seen the questions. In all these given question, if you see question number 2, 5, 7, 8, 9 and then 11, these questions I haven't explained you while revision time. So all these questions I'll discuss today with you, and I hope everyone can solve these given questions. This is your last practice paper for chapter 3. After this we'll begin the next remaining chapter, that is your fractions. So if you see question number 2, question is write 5 pair of prime numbers less than 20. We need to write pair. Pair means 2 plus 5, okay, 7 plus 11. These are your pairs of prime number. Both the numbers are prime. Less than 20 should be whose sum is divisible by 5. The question says you need to write those pairs whose sum means while adding them, the answer which comes, that answer should be divisible by 5. So for example, you know that 5 is a prime number, okay. Now in this 5, when you add 7, you will get here 12. So this is prime number, okay. This is also prime number, okay. But is the sum of 5 and 12 5 and 7, that is 12, is this divisible by 5? No, this is not divisible. So we need to think in our mind those pairs whose sum should be divisible by 5. We need to think in our mind whose pairs sum should be divisible by 5. So if you see here, I have noted down those numbers and their sum also. We know that 2 is a prime number as it do not come in any other table. 3 also is a prime number. When we do the sum of 2 and 3, we get here 5. And when checking this 5 with divisible by 5, so yes, it is completely divisible. Okay. This particular portion, this is not necessary to show, but for checking that is it divisible or not, that's why I have shown here. If you see the next one, 2 plus 13, 2 is a prime number for sure, and 13 is also a prime number. While adding we get 15, and 15 is divisible by 5 as you can see here. Similarly 11 and 19, when you do the sum you'll get 30, and yes, that is divisible, and rest of the 2 also. Now the question arises, how can we think such numbers if they are divisible by 5 or not? For this purpose now, very simple and easy step it is. You just think one prime number in your mind. Suppose you thought 7, and then you think another prime number less than 20, that is 11. Add 7 and 11 simply. When you will add 7 and 11, you will get there 18, which is not divisible. And we know that 20 is divisible. In 18, what should we add to get it divisible? That is 2. So in 11, if we add 2, we get 13. Simply we will get 7 plus 13. Similarly, remaining questions also. I hope the question is clear how to solve. 5 pairs we have to make, and it's the sum which we get, it should be divisible by 5, like this. The question is done. And now if you see question number 5, in a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 85 and 90 respectively. What is the minimum distance? The point should be noted here. What is the minimum distance? Whenever we are asked to find something in minimum, that means we need to find the least. Okay, we need to find the least. And when we have minimum distance, what should we find? The LCM of 80, 90 and 85. Okay, so we'll find the LCM of 80 centimeter, 90 centimeter and 85 centimeter. Method is not necessary. Any method you are thorough with, you can solve with that method. So we'll find with the division method here, 80, 90 and 85. So this we need to find the LCM. How to find the LCM? In the table of 5 we will start solving. So no, we'll begin with 2. 4s are 8 and 0, 45. 85 will be written as it is. Then 2 again, 2s are 4, 0, 45 and 85. 2 again, 10s are 20, 45 and 85. 2 again, 5s are 10, 45 and 85. And then we can solve with 3. 3 1s are 3, 5s are 15. Okay. Then 85 will not be divisible in the table of 3. Again in the table of 3, 5 and 85. And then in the table of 5, 1 1 and 5 1s are 5, 7s are 85. And now this 17 is a prime number, therefore directly divisible in the table of 70. Clear this is? Now all these factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2, and all of them we will multiply. So I'll multiply here only. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3 we will do, 3 6 are 18 and 48. 48 into 3 we are asked to do, 3 8s are 24, 2 carry 12 and to 144. Okay, now 144 into 5, 144 into 5, 4s are 20, then 2 and 2 carried, 5 1s are 5 and 6, 7, 20 will come. Let me check. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry 20 and 2 and 7 20. Now this 720 will multiply with 17. 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14, 49 and 50. 1 0 2 and 7. Then 0 4 2 8 9 10 11 12. What we'll get here? 12 to 40. The LCM here will be 12 to 40. I hope the question is clear. Simply we are given with the least number, the minimum number, and to find that minimum number we will find the LCM.